So I have my ingredients and I'm torn between preparing an energy bar or a cereal. So I'm looking at the ingredients and that's what I have. So let's see what we can prepare from the above. So I have cinnamon powder, I have honey, I have linseed seeds, or if you can call it flax seeds, I have sesame seeds, I have olive oil, I have golden raisins, I have sunflower seeds. Yeah, that's how they look. You can choose any other seeds. And then I have the chocolate chips, then I have the barley flakes. So you take 1 cup, you put 2 cups, so that's 1 cup of the barley flakes. You put in a baking tray and then put another cup. So those are 2 cups of barley flakes. You can choose any other cereal if you want to use the rolled oats, but in this case I chose to use the barley flakes. So I put the sunflower seeds in the mixture, and then now the mixture, you mix them and then put them in the oven to turn to golden. So my mixture is now golden brown and the aroma is awesome. Yo, that is how it looks like. It is roasted, so you can see it. So you put the mixture in a bowl so that you can mix all the dry ingredients together, plus the oil and any other ingredients you might want to put your cereals. So you can still choose to put nuts. Yeah, you can put ground nuts or any other nuts that you like. So in this case I only used seeds. So you can still put the pumpkin seeds if you want to increase the nutrient content of your cereal. So yeah, I had not put the golden raisins, so now I'm adding in the golden raisins, and then the oil, which is olive oil, in that mixture. So you mix it together. The oil will help it to turn golden brown and then it doesn't burn. Then you put your honey to sweeten your cereal. Yeah, in this case you're using honey and the golden raisins to sweeten. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, so the honey and then the cinnamon to taste. You know how cinnamon tastes so nice. Yeah, so you put it in your cereal. Yeah, that's a tablespoon of the cinnamon. So you mix it nicely in a bowl. Those are all the ingredients that you need for your cereal. So remember, sometimes the children don't like the oats or the barley flakes, so you can as well make your granola at home. Yeah, that's the mixture. You mix it well, mix them nicely. Yep, so I'm mixing now so that I can return them to the oven. So you mix, make sure all the oil and the cinnamon has been mixed really nicely. Yeah, I think they're mixed nicely together. So you transfer that content back to the baking tray with a non-greasy paper so that it doesn't stick on the tray. It is so that it can be easy to clean as well. Yeah, so you put it like that, spread, so that the heat can be spread nicely as well, and then it takes a shorter time to be ready. Yeah, so I'm spreading nicely. Spread. You're spreading your cereals. Then you can transfer. Now as we do this, the oven is still preheating. So in this case I will put for 15 minutes. So I'm adjusting the time, and then I'll bake at 150. So I'm putting the oven on, I'm adjusting the timer and then the degrees. So I'll bake at 150 degrees Celsius. And then you adjust the time since they were already roasted, so you only put for 15 minutes, and after every 5 minutes you make sure you turn so that they don't burn or they don't darken. So this needs to be golden brown. So yeah, that's it. So after every 5 minutes I will turn. So I'll look at the timer, and then after every 5 minutes you turn. And then after the 15 minutes I'll remove the cereals. Look at how they look. They're so nice, crunchy, and they look so good. So this one can be snacked. I'm tasting it. Is so sweet. So this one can be eaten as a cereal. You can snack on them since they already have. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video.